Hello all, welcome to Young Tutor. Today we'll be learning about a basic mathematics, which would be two main types of number systems that make the base of numbers. They are natural numbers and whole numbers. So first let's cover what are natural numbers. Natural numbers are all the numbers except 0 and the all positive numbers except 0. That would be 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers are the numbers which cover all the natural numbers but include 0. Alright, so we can make this easier by tabulating it, by circling these. That is, we can make this one circle and then we can cover this in another way, which means that we can also tell that natural numbers come under whole numbers. I want to also tell one more thing, that natural numbers go on for as long as possible. They can go all the way up till a lot larger numbers like 100, 1000, etc. Whole numbers are nothing but the natural numbers, but they also include 0. And one more thing that we also know about natural numbers are their counting numbers. That is, they are used as cardinal numbers, or they are used to say as there is a one apple in the house. They can be used to count a certain number of objects. Whole numbers can in some cases be used to count as an object because they contain of natural numbers. Now let's learn about prime numbers. The prime numbers are nothing but the numbers which is nothing but any number which is only divisible by itself or divisible by a 1. All numbers are multiples of 1, therefore any number multiplied by 1 will be the number itself, also known as the multiplicative identity of numbers, which will come back in another time. So for example, in this case 2 cannot be divided by any other number, and therefore 2 is a prime. Alright, another example for a prime number could be 3 or 5. You can also test this by just dividing with all the numbers under these. For example, let's take 3. 3 by 2 will not give a whole number. Will not give a whole number. Because it won't give a whole number because 3 is not a multiple of 2, and therefore neither is 2 a divisor of 3. It will not equal to a whole number, but yes, it will equal to a fraction. But 3 is divisible by 1, as any number which is as 1 is as 3 is a multiple of 1. Therefore 3 can divide 1. You can take 5 as a homework to see if it's a prime number. Another topic we would be covering are even numbers and odd numbers. Out of that, even numbers will be covered first. After that, we will be taking up odd numbers. Even numbers are the numbers are all the numbers which are divisible by 2. For example, 2 by 2 equal to 1. See, if you see, the answer is a whole number. Therefore, it is an even number. Another example could be 4, which would be 4 by 2 equal to 2. And as you can see, the answer is again a whole number. As we talked about earlier in the video, and it's still here, whole numbers are nothing but the numbers which include natural numbers or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Therefore, as the answer is a whole number, it is considered to be even number. Now, in some of your heads, there might be a question going on, that is 0 an even number? Yes, 0 is also an even number, as when we divide 0 by 2, we get an answer of 0. Some examples of even numbers could go on as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. This nothing but even numbers are also nothing but any number multiplied by 2 or just a multiple of 2. Even numbers can go on forever, and the even numbers can be as large as possible. To end our session, we will be doing odd numbers. Odd numbers are the numbers which are nothing but one less than an even number, or nothing but an even number. As I told you, to find out an even number, you can use the division by 2 formula, which would be, let's take an example of 6 by 2 to figure out 3. 3 is already an odd number, so we cannot subtract it, but as 6 is also an even number, we can also use the method to figure out, that is one of the odd numbers, but we can also take 6, which if we subtract by 1, we get 5, which is an odd number. We can also do 4 subtracted by 1, which will give 3. Any even number subtracted by 1 will give you an odd number. Also, any even number added to 1 will give an odd number. This is just a simpler formula to understand what are odd numbers. But odd numbers are actually alternating the even numbers. That is, if the number you are on is an even number, then the next number or the predecessor or the number before will be an odd number. Today's homework for you guys would be, first thing, to find out any 5 prime numbers. As I told you, how to find a prime number is just checking if all the numbers under it are divisible. If no number under it is divisible, then it is a prime number. Only the number itself and 1 should be the divisible number. You should also figure out any 5 even numbers apart from the 1 examples I have given. As I told you, the formula to figure out an even number would be to divide the number by 2. And then another one, the last homework for you all would be any 5 odd numbers. The formula to figure out an odd number, as I said, was just add 1 or subtract 1 from an even number. Comment the answers down below in the comment section, which will be open for all. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a great day. I will meet you guys in the next session. Thank you.